Oppo K12 5G may launch soon. The Oppo K12 introduces a unique design aesthetic not previously seen in Oppo devices. Oppo K12 will be available in celadon marble and dark chrome colors. We can see a center position punch hole cut out for the selfie shooter, flat edges, and narrow bezels. The volume rocker and power button are on the right side. The display is a 6.7-inch screen AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, with an optical fingerprint sensor with dual stereo speaker. The handset will be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 SoC paired with Adreno GPU for graphics. With 8GB LPDDR4X RAM plus 8GB expansion RAM and up to 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage. It will likely run Android 14-based Oxygen OS 14 out of the box. On the rear, it is featuring a 50-megapixel primary sensor and an 8-megapixel sensor. It could get a 16-megapixel front camera. It's powered by 5000 mAh battery with support for 100W AST charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.